Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Swift Dzire, and see the color treatment on the Swift Dzire, very nice red treatment, and this color was be in the Baleno, and now you can see in the Swift car, and that is the Dzire and this is the Swift. See the color combination between both the cars, nice treatment. And on other side this is another red, and I like the red treatment on this car only. So first is first, let's open the engine boot. So this is a petrol engine. There is no diesel engines on Suzuki as we expect from in 2021. BS6 engine, very refined, silent engine, 1197cc engine, and this is a battery placement. Amaron battery, green color treatment is very nice. Installation on boot, very nice done. Very heavy boot lids on Maruti Suzuki. Build quality is very nice. Coming to the headlights, see the running LED DRS, same headlight setup on the both the cars, Swift and Swift Dzire here you can see. So projected setup on headlights, very nice done. And see the fog lamps design. Sorry for lot of crashes and denting on this vehicle. So at the front here you can see the grille, and see the chrome line finish at the grille, and Suzuki logo as bed center, same design as compared to Suzuki Dzire and this. So some difference is these lines between this Dzire and Swift are, in Dzire you get very less and bold big, and in this you get very closer lines and chrome finish round design. And at the lower side see the bumper, very sporty feeling, and see the fog lamps cuts on the red treatment, very nice done over a grab finish of the fog lamps, nice finish. This is the side profile of Suzuki Swift. And coming to the side, here you can see the design of alloy wheels. So I have impressed in Dzire wheels, very nice, and compared to this is also very nice. So dual tone chrome treatment, and see the disc size massive enough, and the profile of the tire is 185 65 15 inches. Finish is very nice. Treatment on alloy wheels has done, and on this generation of Maruti has improved a lot of these alloy wheels design. And see the space between the tire and the body level. So coming to the side, this is a side profile, and there is no chrome finish on door handles, and here you can see the side view mirror and with the indicator, bold design, and no black treatment on top we get in the Swift and Swift Dzires. So coming to here, this is a changeover of rear door handle is to open the door here, nice treatment. And before it would have been here only, but it has been changed like that. And here you can see the light chrome finish. So these look like me like older design of below. So chrome finish on that lines. And coming to the rear, this is a tail light, and LEDs on tail light we get in this generation. And in detail here you can see the bulbs on indicator and reverse light. So this is a rear profile of Swift, and nothing much written, and color treatment is very nice. Swift written there, Suzuki logo center, and chrome line finish below the boot. And there you can see the 4 sensors and no reverse camera. So yeah, reverse camera is set up. Yeah, here is a reverse camera in detail. So all of the 3 cars, Brezza, Dzire and Swift, has a placement on the number plate only. Number plate is lower right, lower side. Coming to the boot, so boot finish is very nice compared to Dzire, and fit finish is very nice. Quality of the is very nice. Hydraulic struts as given in this. So there is light though, so in Dzire you won't get light, and here you can see the light. So this is an amplifier of the market. So it will get in from the accessories of Suzuki only. So now it is very heavy, I can't show the spare wheel. Obviously it won't get the alloy wheels and same size of alloy wheel. Compared to Suzuki Dzire and Swift, I like the Swift only because of lot of features on this vehicle, and 60-40 splitted seats. By folding this you can increase the boot space, and 378 liters of boot space, and nice insulation on the boot. Lot of features better compared to Dzire. I mean Dzire is Swift is only better, I can say. So this is a petrol lid. So this is a red door, very short and easy to enter, and 3 people can easily sit on all the Suzuki vehicles and travel for long journeys, no problem at all. And here you can see the detail red line switches on seat covers, very nice, and leather finish of seats, and black treatment interior and red treatment on exterior. So here you can see the 1 liter bottle holders. So 1 liter bottle holders on pocket, and here you can see the door holders and chrome finish of door handles. So let's sit inside and see comfort level. So here you can see the under the support is massive enough, and knee room is massive enough. So headroom is also massive enough, lot of massive enough on this vehicle. And coming to here, 2 adjustable headrest, and there is no center headrest only. And there you can see the disappointing on this top variant is no center armrest within cup holders, disappointing. And seat belt are in black finish, and no center light here, disappointing again. And from here you can see the dashboard at the front, and no AC vents. You won't get AC vents rear, and you get AC vents in the Dzire. Bottle holder here you can see, and no charging sockets also we can expect. Bottom is flat, 3 people can easily travel, and red treatment on this car is only nice. And let's go to front and see. So on door here you can see the power windows, side view mirror adjustable, and this chrome treatment on door line and door opening. And here you can see the 1 liter bottle holders and gloss black, grey gloss black finish of treatment on the doors at the front. And let's sit inside, very noisy outside. So this is the keys of Swift and Swift Dzire, sorry, yeah. So this is the keys of Swift and Swift Dzire. So same treatment of keys in the both the vehicles, yeah. Suzuki logo backside. So coming to here, dashboard is neat finish and clean finish. And coming to here, first is first, no center armrest and manual adjustable handbrake obviously. And this is a gear lever, very nice basic treatment of gear lever. And in detail here you can see between cup holders and with some space, very very dark side at the lower side. Now I am on the flash. And coming to here, 12-volt charging socket, 1 aux and USB ports, and some stuff to keep the space. And these are the auto climate control and sporty feeling, airy feeling of auto climate control. So nice treatment of round design on this vehicle. And this is 7-inch touchscreen, as I said, same comparison to all the vehicles, Brezza, Dzire, Swift. And nice Apple CarPlay, Android Play, and app connectivity of this infotainment system, nice done. Let's check the volume. So these now in amplifier as installed, and bass is woofer is installed and rear. So because of that the audio system is excellent, I can say. All the car is vibrating now, so I have observed audio sound is excellent on speakers, offer very nice. And because of that woofer only, the audio sound is much better. And this is the touchscreen setup, and here you can see the auto climate control, very nice done. And this is for temperature, this is for fan speed, and this middle you can see the digital meter. So AC vents are round retro design, 4 AC vents round design. And here you can see in details silver gloss black finish. So coming to here you can see the center as a light switch, and round sporty feeling of air vents also very nice. And detail you can see the gloss black finish of treatment on the dashboard, very nice. And plain treatment of dashboard. Coming to here, mirror with no light, and there is no mirror and no light as expected. And there is toll receipts, and center you can see the light, and these are for mics. And coming to here, tweeters are given only front at the door only we can see. And these are the side view mirrors, large enough. And coming to instrument cluster, this is instrument cluster, sporty feeling, same design as compared to Swift Dzire and Swift also. So red treatment on ambience lighting inside the instrument cluster, very nice done. And sporty feeling with this red car. And this are RPM meter, this is speedometer. Middle you can see the small digital meter of odometer, trip B instrument cluster, and lot of stuff of giving that information, temperature, etc, fuel gauge, capacity. So overall this is the steering. And bottom you can see the flat treatment. And here you can see in Dzire you get wood finish of treatment on light touches on dashboard and steering. Here you can see the silver gloss black finish, and nice grab finish of holder is very nice, and grab finish also very nice. Treatment on steering is very nice. These controls for audio system. And center you can see the round sporty feeling of Suzuki logo with. And here you can see the controls for call, attend and decline. And this lever is for obviously wiper, and this lever is for obviously lights and indicators. So coming to here, engine start stop button is given here, and this button is for off the sensors of parking, and this is for lever adjustable of light center. So overall this is the dashboard design, very nice done. And treatment on dashboard is very nice. So black interior, it's darker side at the below, and I like the color treatment in the Dzire only because of that airy feeling inside. And here you can see the dress at the co-passenger is very nice at the front, and cushion is very nice, and grab finish is also very nice. Treatment on the leather seats is very nice massage you get while traveling, and black finish is very nice with red stitches. And this is a rear profile from the front, and this is a dashboard design. I am not doing test drive on this vehicle Swift because I have done already with the Dzire. If you want to check, please go and link here press the high button. And same design, I mean same engine placement, engine displacement of the both the engines, and both get petrol engines, no diesel engines on offer, and both cc, torque, newton meters, bhp of power are the same as compared to both the engines Swift and Swift Dzire. I have done already on that vlog, please go and check that. And this is a walk around video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.